Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel How It's Made. Today, we have an exciting unboxing for you. The Bosch Cordless Planer. I've been looking forward to this, so let's dive right in. Here's the box. Right off the bat, we can see the sleek Bosch design. This cordless planer is designed for precision and efficiency, perfect for any woodworking project. Let's see what we have inside. Just look at this design. It has a comfortable grip and a compact body, which makes it easy to handle. The weight feels balanced, which is crucial for long projects. It comes with dual-side dust extraction, which is a huge help for keeping your workspace clean. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the features. This model has an adjustable depth setting for precision planning. So that's a quick unboxing of the Bosch Cordless Planer. If you're in the market for a reliable, portable planer, this one looks promising. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Here it is, the Bosch Cordless Planer itself. It feels solid and well-made. You can really tell it's a quality tool. Alongside it, we've got the battery, charger, and a few accessories. And here's the battery and charger. The cordless aspect means you can take this planner anywhere, without worrying about a power outlet.